Friends, how many subscriptions are you paying for every month? ChatGPT Plus, Claude Pro, maybe a separate tool just for images. It gets expensive fast, and on top of that, it's inconvenient to constantly jump between different tabs and platforms. Today, I want to show you a solution that genuinely changes how this workflow looks. My name is Daniel, and in this video, I'll show you chatllm by Abacus. It's a single platform that brings the most powerful language, coding, image, and video tools into one interface. Instead of managing multiple services, everything works in one place, and the cost is lower than a standard subscription to just one of these tools. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Friends, before we go any further, it's important to understand what Abacus actually is, because chatllm is built on top of it. It is a full-scale technology platform designed for real-world use, not just casual chatting. It was created by engineers and researchers who worked with large-scale intelligent systems. Its core focus is helping people and companies use advanced capabilities in practical production-ready workflows. At its foundation, Abacus provides access to powerful language reasoning systems and underlying infrastructure that can be adapted to specific tasks. Instead of treating intelligence as a one-size-fits-all chatbot, the platform is built to analyze problems and select the right approach, delivering results efficiently. What makes the tool different is that it's not only about generating answers. It's about building systems that work with data, code, and creative tasks in a structured way. This is where tools like chatllm and Abacus Desktop come from. They are practical interfaces built on top of the same foundation. chatllm is the unified workspace that brings these capabilities together into one window, while Abacus Desktop extends this idea further by allowing agents to work directly with your system. Together, they turn the assistant into more than just a chat-based service. It becomes a complete environment for working with complex tasks in a real, usable way. This is why chatllm doesn't feel like another chatbot. It's a product built on top of a serious AI platform, designed to replace multiple subscriptions and simplify how you actually work with smart assistants day to day. Friends, the first thing you notice inside chatllm is the Root LLM section in the main menu. It's placed right at the top for a reason. This is where model selection happens, and this is also where the platform already starts saving you time and money. Instead of manually selecting an AI, everything is organized in one place. When you open the model list, it honestly feels like a full AI buffet. Normally, to access all these models, you'd need separate subscriptions, separate logins, and separate payments for each platform. That's exactly the pain chatllm is designed to remove. Here, all models live inside one interface, ready to work on demand. Guys, you'll see access to the latest generation models designed to handle everything from everyday requests to complex creative and technical tasks. All of these capabilities are covered inside a single workspace. Some models are optimized for writing, others for logic-heavy work, and some push performance boundaries even further. The key question is always the same: which model should handle your specific task? Folks, this is exactly where Root LLM comes in. And this is the feature that really changes how you work with AI. Instead of forcing you to decide, Root LLM works as a smart router, a built-in AI manager. You give it a task, and it automatically analyzes complexity and intent. Simple requests don't waste expensive compute, while complex ones trigger more powerful models when needed. That means you're not overpaying for simple questions, and you're not underpowered for serious tasks. Mates, to see this in action, I start with a practical example. I asked the system to write a Python script for the classic snake game using the Pygame library. I don't choose a model manually, I just send the prompt. The platform processes the request instantly and starts generating code. What's important here is that I never had to think about which model is best for coding. chatllm handled that decision automatically and routed the task to a model optimized specifically for code generation. This is exactly the kind of decision-making that usually requires experience, and here it's fully automated. Friends, within seconds the full script is ready. From here I can regenerate it using other models if I want to compare results or even try running the code directly. This flexibility is important when you're experimenting or learning, and this highlights an important point. ChatLLM isn't just about text or code, it's a complete creative environment. Creating visuals usually means switching to separate image generation tools and paying for additional subscriptions. Here, image generation is already part of the workflow. I click Create Image, and the platform opens access to multiple high-end image models inside the same interface. Folks, for a photorealistic result, I choose a model known for realism and select its latest version. I write a detailed prompt describing a science fiction scene and adjust the aspect ratio to match a typical YouTube frame. I keep the prompt enhancement option enabled to improve image quality, then generate the image. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. The system automatically understands that this is a visual task and activates the right algorithms in the background. The result is a highly detailed image with realistic lighting, textures, and atmosphere comparable to professional concept art. And there's no separate payment per image. Everything works within your monthly compute limit. From here, guys, ChatLLM naturally pushes things further. Instead of stopping at a static image, the platform suggests the next logical step. Under the image, there's an option to generate a video using Deep Agent. This is where the workflow moves beyond simple prompting. Deep Agent isn't a regular chatbot. It's an autonomous agent that can plan tasks, choose tools, and execute multi-step actions. This is a key difference. Instead of searching for a separate animation platform, I simply ask the agent to animate the image and describe how the scene should move. Mates, I upload the image, write a short instruction explaining that I want the nebula to animate, and submit the request. Deep Agent automatically connects to advanced video generation models and selects the best one for the task. You don't need to know which video model is better. The agent makes that decision for you. At this point, I don't need to understand rendering settings or technical parameters. I am not dealing with camera controls or render pipelines. I am acting as the director, while Deep Agent handles the technical execution. What's interesting is that the agent doesn't blindly follow commands. It asks clarifying questions about video format, quality, and visual effects. Friends, I respond with my preferences, such as horizontal format, high quality, and a glowing plant effect. The agent takes these instructions and passes them directly to the video generation model. The entire process stays conversational, while the complex work happens behind the scenes. Within moments, the video is ready. A short animated clip is generated from the original image with smooth motion and strong visual consistency. The result feels intentional and controlled, not random or experimental. Guys, beyond text, code, images, and video, ChatLLM also includes additional built-in tools. There's a text humanization feature designed to help content sound more natural, which is especially useful when texts are checked by AI detectors. This solves a very real problem for students, educators, and professionals. There's also Abacus AI Desktop, which brings AI-powered coding and desktop assistance into a single environment. This allows you to work with agents directly on your system and extend workflows beyond the browser. It turns ChatLLM into more than a web tool. It becomes part of your daily workflow. Friends, and finally, everything comes down to pricing. This is where the mess becomes very clear. When you compare individual subscriptions for popular tools, the total quickly adds up, since everything is built separately across different platforms. ChatLLM gives you access to a full AI ecosystem for a single monthly fee, often much cheaper than paying for multiple separate subscriptions. Its compute-based pricing adapts to your real usage, so you don't overspend on tools you don't need. Instead of juggling different accounts, you get one platform that handles text, code, images, video, and agents in a single practical workflow. So mates, ChatLLM makes sense if you're tired of juggling multiple AI subscriptions and switching between endless tabs. Instead of paying separately for text, images, code, and video tools, everything lives in one workspace that adapts to your task automatically. What really stands out is how smart the system feels. You don't have to guess which model to use or learn complex settings. You describe what you need, and the platform routes the task to the right tool, saving both time and money. From coding and writing to visuals and video generation, the workflow stays fast, flexible, and surprisingly simple. Guys, if you're using AI regularly for work, learning, or creative projects, this kind of setup isn't just convenient, it changes how efficiently you can operate. Fewer subscriptions, less friction, and more focus on results instead of tools. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description. That's where all the coupons and special offers are. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.